Hello friends, hello YouTube. Now this is the time to paint this 64 Impala SS door and fender skirts. Now if you didn't see how I prepared this door, how I got it from looking extremely damaged to where I'm at right now, ready to paint, the previous video shows you how. I showed you how to do that straight body line, how I blocked it, how I fixed it from bare metal. So go back, see that one, then come back, see this video so that you can catch up. So let's just start painting. Everything has been sanded, everything is ready, and we're good to go. Here we go. Okay, first of all, we're gonna apply some sealer. I'm gonna apply some light gray sealer from Eurocam. The gun I'm using is Segola 4600 with the DVR base cap. All right, so we're gonna apply just one coat. That's all it needs, one coat of sealer, and we should be good. So let's just apply it. Here we go. Just one coat of the sealer. That'll be it. That'll be more than enough. Now let me show you the color that this Impala is. This Impala has like it's like a midnight pearl color. It's like a midnight blue, but it has some pearl into it. So that's what we're gonna be spraying. Very, very good. Now, regarding the body work, regarding the preparation, sorry. In these dark colors, your body work needs to be almost perfect. Reason being, it's a dark color. You can notice everything. It's like if you were painting black. So just be aware of that. Make sure that the body work is perfect. Now let's just wait those 15 minutes. Right now it's 90 degrees in here, so it's kind of hot. So it'll take less than 15, but I'm gonna take 15 minutes. it is, the first coat of the Midnight Blue Pearl. Very good, very good. And I was overlapping like about 50% overlap. I hope you noticed that. There you go. Let's wait those 15 minutes, come back, use a tack rag, clean it up, and apply 2 more coats. Second coat of that Midnight Blue Pearl. As you can see, it's covering up perfectly. One more coat and that should be it. Ready for clear. Hey guys, let's start off by saying thank you to all you subscribers that are helping me out. Now I'm gonna ask you for a favor. Let's try to reach that 200,000 subscriber mark. I know we can do it, guys. All you need to do, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and hit that thumbs up. It's free, guys. It's free. If you want to learn how to paint, if you want to learn how to do lowrider graphics, custom paint jobs, this is the channel for you. Let's try to reach that 200,000 subscriber mark, guys. Thank you very much. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. You'll help me out. Let's go. Let's continue painting, bringing out some real nice paint jobs out of this paint booth. 3 coats of the base has been applied. Now we're gonna start by applying 3 coats of the clear. The gun I'm gonna be using is the same one, but I changed the air cap to the DVR Clear Pro. That's the only thing I did change, and I do have a 1.3 tip. That's it. I'm using the exact same gun I used for the paint. Now, a couple of people do ask, do I need 2, 3, 4 guns? No, you don't. You can do it with one. I've been doing all these just with the Segola 4600. All I'm doing is changing the air cap. That is it. Not changing the needle, not changing the tip, nothing, just the air cap. So you just need one. This is one coat of the clear. We're going to be applying 3 coats. One thing I want to tell you about that paint gun, that air cap leaves the finish like if it was glass, with minimal orange peel, guys. Minimal. So I'm just gonna let it dry for about 15 minutes. Right now it's 92 degrees. It's going up 92 degrees. So let's just wait those 15 minutes, come back, apply 2 more coats, and we'll be done. And there you have it. Nice, even. Bodywork looks good. Side skirts look good. Been painted inside and out. Even the door has been painted inside and out. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. And this is gonna be it, guys. This is gonna be it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, consider subscribing, guys. It's gonna help me out to reach that 200,000 subscriber mark. So let's do this. I know we can do it, guys. Let's go. This will be it. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. I'll see you this coming weekend. And like always, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every